Gareth, the eve of your 100th cap for Wales, a special moment for you?
Yeah, no, a massive moment personally for me and my family. Yeah, I've been on 99 for a few months, so yeah, it's obviously been at the forefront of my mind coming back from injury. So yeah, on a personal level, it's a big milestone. Obviously, only Gunther's the other male footballer that has reached that landmark. So yeah, hopefully it'll be nice to get there, and yeah, but hopefully we can get the win to mark the occasion even more.
I mean, some of us have been lucky enough to follow the whole journey. Winning one cap is fantastic. Does it sink in? I mean, 100 caps, it's quite an achievement, isn't it?
Yeah, it hasn't sunk in for sure. Obviously, we've still got to get it, but yeah, it hasn't sunk in. Obviously, it's an incredible achievement to reach 100 caps for your country. So yeah, it's something that I'm looking forward to doing. But at the same time, I need to put it to the back of my mind, knowing that we have a massive game to play in, and an important one to get a better playoff spot, and yeah, to give us a better chance to qualify for the World Cup.
Yeah, you are the captain, you're a team player, but in terms of just one more thing on the 100th cap, you've been unlucky with the injury, with the hamstring injury, which ruled you out of the game in Prague and in Tallinn. However, it's nice to get that recognition in front of your home fans, and your family will be there. It's great to do it in your home city.
Yeah, I think every cloud has a silver lining, right? So yeah, it's one of those. Obviously, I would have loved to have been a part last camp, and yeah, the 100th cap would have been away, but obviously I wanted to play no matter what. But yeah, the silver lining is now hopefully everything goes smoothly, because yeah, nothing ever does normally. So yeah, the fact that I can do my 100th cap at home with family, friends, the fans, I guess will make it even more special. So yeah, that's kind of been my motivation to go through this rehab, to push myself to get back, is having that goal, not just for the 100th cap, but to be available for my country to play in an important game. So yeah, I've put a lot of hard work to get to this moment, and yeah, so close, but yeah, still one night to go, and hopefully everything goes smooth.
I know what it means to play for Wales for you. I remember the press conference in Dean had when you spoke about the pride and the badge and the motivation. You've achieved so much at club level in terms of individual accolades, team accolades and stuff, but playing for Wales still means so much to you, doesn't it?
Yeah, for me it's the pinnacle. It's something that I've said in many interviews, it's hard to explain into words exactly what it means to play for Wales, but the passion, the pride, the honour, the connection with the fans, just the atmosphere in the camp at the stadium, it's just a special place, a special country. Yeah, I've obviously been lucky enough to play a lot of times for my country, and like you said, to play one cap for your country is an incredible achievement, and to do it potentially 100 times is another level. And yeah, when I was a kid, probably never ever thought that would happen. So yeah, I just love playing for this country, for the fans, for the team, for the staff, for everybody involved, and I always try to do my best, like you know.
Got so close to the World Cup last time, losing in the playoffs against the Republic of Ireland. We are in the playoffs this time. Is that the aim? Obviously, is the aim. It would be a fantastic. You've done the Euros, you know, done well in the Nations League, but to get to the World Cup, that is, I would imagine, a pinnacle for any player representing his country or her country. Yeah,
definitely. The World Cup is, like you said, is the pinnacle, and yeah, we've had the experience now of being in major tournaments, 2 European Championships. So yeah, the next step is a World Cup. So yeah, but all we can do is give 100% on the pitch, work hard, do what we've been trained to do. We work hard all week in preparation to these games, and hopefully you need a little bit of luck on your side as well as all the hard work and commitment. But we'll be giving everything we can to try and qualify, and yeah, hopefully that'll be enough.
And just on the first task, Belarus home, recently played them in Kazan, and you scored a hat-trick and a very, very late winner as well. So, you know, looking for a repeat of that, I suppose.
Just a win is fine. I don't really want to leave it to the wire again like we did last time, but yeah, just another important game. Even that game, it was massive in the qualification process. We still want to try and finish second, even though we know we have a playoff guarantee, because it gives us that better opportunity, maybe that home tie that will make the difference. So yeah, we know it's going to be a difficult game. They're a very hard side to play against. They're very physical. So yeah, we can't underestimate because the last game was so difficult. So but with the home crowd, us on top of our game, we feel confident going into the game, and we have to perform on the night, which we hope we're going to do.
And just finally, I mean, I don't know what sort of person you are in terms of thinking ahead and thinking of things, but have you thought during this week what it will be like leading Wales out tomorrow, 100th cap, the anthem and everything? Though I know you've got to forget all of that but is it something you've thought about? You know, is it just something you want to experience?
Yeah, no, I've been trying to hide it away in my mind for the last, I guess, 5 weeks since I started my rehab. So it's been a massive motivation of mine to be able to walk out in my 100th cap, being the captain at home with my friends and family there, and my teammates and the fans, is something that, yeah, I've literally had to just take each day as it comes, because I knew that if I had a step back, I wouldn't make it. So it's been there, and I've been trying to push it in the deep depths of my mind. So yeah, to be so close now, something that I'm looking forward to, but also at the same time, like I said, I need to concentrate on the game, not my occasion, because yes, it is special, but the team and the performance and the points trumps it a million times over. So yeah, I'll enjoy it, but also I'll be ready come kick off.
Brilliant. Well, on behalf of everyone in Wales, I know we're all delighted for you and look forward to celebrating that 100th cap with you tomorrow night. Thanks, Gareth.
Thank you.